In today's video, I will walk you through how to unprotect Sheet in Google Sheets. Open the spreadsheet you want to edit, then find the Sheet tab at the bottom that you believe is protected. Right-click the tab and select Protect Sheet. A panel will appear on the right side of the screen showing any protected sheets or ranges. Click the protected range to view its details. Next, select Change Permissions. In the window that opens, adjust the editing permissions as needed. You can choose Custom and add specific email addresses, or change the settings to allow anyone with access to edit. Once you've made your changes, click Done to save them. Wait a few moments for the update to apply. After that, return to the sheet and test whether you can edit it. If you're not sure which tab is protected, repeat the same process on the other sheet tabs until you find the correct protected range. And that's how to unprotect a sheet in Google Sheets by updating its editing permissions. Thank you for watching the video.